Oh, welcome home. This is the Irish Roots Cafe, where every day's a holiday and there's always room for one more. I decided that I'd reconnect with my Irish roots, which were just about lost. So what I ended up doing was writing books on every single county in Ireland to help research Irish roots, as well as books on Irish heritage and Irish heraldry and coats of arms. And then I learned how to sing in Irish. And then I taught a few other people how to do all that too. And that's just the tip of the icebergs, but I invite you to come along with me and find out and maybe share with me. And please do subscribe if you believe in the cause.